Hey guys, good day. Welcome to this next video of LuckyLovers.net tutorial. This time I'm going to teach you on how to upload an audio. Okay, what you just need to do is click on media. Okay, and this time click add audio. Okay, it's very easy. All you just need to do is to choose file. Okay, and choose any music that you would like to upload. Make sure that it's on a .mp3 file. Okay, so I have sample music here. I'll just choose one and click open. Okay, then you have the option to either keep it private or have it public so that everybody seeing your page can see and listen to your video as well. And click audio, add audio. Okay, one moment as we're trying to upload it. Okay, as you can see here in this part, the audio is trying to upload. Okay, kindly give it time and then wait for it to go 100%. Okay, there, finally it's uploaded. Now this time, okay, as you can see here, you can play it. Okay, and by playing it, you get the chance to like listen to it from your own headset or speakers, and you also have the option to download it here. When you click the this download image, okay, you can see here that it's being downloaded on my own computer. And as well, you have the option to delete this one. You just need to click delete and it'll be gone. Okay, just like this one. Okay, you'll be asked if you would like to have this deleted. All you just need to do is click OK and then, aha, it's gone. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this. You have a good day. Goodbye.